بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين. Welcome all. Today we will learn how to download Windows ISO file by using Microsoft Software Download website. The URL of this website is as shown. You will use this website to download the ISO file for the Windows that you want. Of course, we cover other ways and other videos in our channel. So please, if you didn't watch the other videos, it is highly recommended to watch these videos to see what are other options to download the ISO file for Windows. In this picture, as it's shown in my web browser, I am downloading two files here. One is Arabic ISO file and the other one is the English ISO file. So you will be able to download any language for the ISO file that you are downloading. Here it shows the picture after the downloading finished. As you can see, these are the ISO files, and if you notice here in the size, they are quite large. They are 7.5, 7.2 gigabyte. Now about the requirements, only the requirement is to have a computer that is connected to the internet, either a desktop or a laptop, and it's recommended that the internet speed is quite high because the ISO files are quite large. A very important point here to mention is that the website will give you the option to download either x64-bit ISO file that can be used for x64-bit devices, or the ARM 64-bit ISO file that is to be used in ARM 64 devices. So this is a nice option from Microsoft. So it depends on what type of device you want to install the operating system, you can choose. Of course, the x64-bit is the most popular, but ARM 64-bit devices are again becoming popular also. So you have the two options. The instructions are easy to follow. Of course, you open your favorite web browser, then you navigate to that website, and I will keep it in the video description. Then you select the Windows that you want. In our case, we will use Windows 11. After that, you select either x64-bit or ARM 64-bit. But most of the time, the most popular is x64-bit ISO file. Then you select the Windows language that you want, either Arabic, English, or whatever. Then simply click the download button. Okay, and the download to the practical part. As and once the download is finished, you have the ISO file. Then you can use it either for creating the virtual machines or for that I will provide you on USB flash description. Once you are in the site, the system that you want, in our case, we will go to the Windows 11. You click that one. Then you scroll down. In our previous videos, we talk about this media creation tool. If you are interested, you can go back and watch that video. But in this case, in our case, we will use the last option, download Windows 11 disk image ISO file for x64-bit devices. So as I mentioned, if you want ARM, you click here. It will send you to that website where you can download the ARM 64-bit device. But as I said, the most popular one is the x64-bit. So from this drop-down menu, you will choose the Windows 11. Then simply you click confirm. You will get this message. and here it asks you to choose the language for the product. From this you can choose Arabic or whatever language you want. I will choose English United States, then simply confirm. It will validate your request, then it will provide you with a download link, which is this one. It is valid for 24 hours as it's mentioned here. So simply I will click this button to start downloading. So I click that button, and as you can see, it will start downloading that ISO file. And once the download finished, you will get the ISO file, and you can use it for anything you want, either for creating virtual machines or for using to make a bootable USB flash drive. So now, as you can see, it takes time. I will stop the recording and I will come back once it's finished downloading the file. As you can see, now it's about to finish. Actually, it took time. Yes, now as it says here, the download is finished. Now simply you can close your browser. Now if I go to the download, I believe find the ISO file. Yes, as you can see, this is the ISO file and the size almost 7.5 gigabyte. So I hope this was very useful for you, and see you in the next videos. Take care. Now, without any delay, let's go to the practical demonstration part. See you there.